Brilliant news! Equusearch is back to search for missing 5-year-old Summer Wells. This is a step in the right direction. Today, we learn why it is essential that they keep their search locations private. It is crucial to the case. Please, I ask everyone to respect that. Do not snap pictures and post them on social media. We all want the same thing here, to find Summer.
Search for Summer Wells is expanding this weekend as a search and rescue group from the Midwest is coming back to the area to once again look for the missing 5-year-old.
The company is called Equusearch Midwest. They're based out of Ohio and also Texas. News Channel 11's Ansley Daniel spoke with the director, who says he's bringing fresh eyes and people in the hopes of finding Summer.
Although the area around Ben Hill Road in the Beech Creek community seems much quieter than what it did this time last month, authorities and search crews assure that people are still out looking for Summer Wells, including one group that's making another trip back this weekend.
Why not keep the bus rolling, as I say, and go out a little bit further, some fresh eyes. Some fresh people. Let's get this done.
David Rader is the director for Equusearch Midwest, a volunteer-based nonprofit search group out of Texas and Ohio. He reached out to the incident commander of search operations to ask if they could come back.
There's some things that we would like to go over that was just kind of bothering us as far as areas being searched and maybe going out a little bit further. So I reached out to him.
Captain Tim Coop is still in charge of the search efforts on the ground for Summer Wells. He wasn't available for an interview today, but told us, quote, they, along with several other teams, have been so outpouring with support and wanting to help out. I decided to have them come back and assist with some areas and search these as a combination decision by both agencies.
We have their blessing. They trust us enough to do what we do. And hopefully we'll have success.
Rader stresses the importance of the public not being involved in the search and not disclosing exact locations of search crews, not only because of safety due to the terrain, but also because it could hinder the investigation.
We can't have people stating that we were on this road at this specific spot, because then at that point in time when we mark it off that nothing's there, it's a possibility somebody could move her or evidence to that area. And it's already been marked off as search, so we don't go back to it.
That sentiment, something echoed by the agents with the TBI leading the investigation.
There could be a criminal aspect and something happened to her. And in order for us to work that investigation, there are just some things that we're not able to share with the public.
Rader says his group will begin searching at 8 a.m. on Saturday, and they will be going over some areas that they've already looked at, as well as areas even further out. In the Beech Creek community, Ansley Daniel, News Channel 11.
If you have information that can help investigators, call 1-800-TBI-FIND or email the address on your screen.